People have been looking for the next best thing since sliced bread was invented. Well, I think I've found it, and it's called the equity stop. In fact, this amazing idea is just as useful as those loaves that come already cut. Now, let me explain in more detail why I think that. See, traders often use stop-loss options that are based on where the price is in the market. These strategies, such as fixed percentage stop-loss, chart stop-loss, and volatility-based stop-loss, are often used to protect investments and reduce possible losses. But unfortunately, they all cost something. Do you know your stop-loss cost rate? You might be surprised. Slippage is the difference between the expected price of a position closing and the real price at which the order is executed. Emotional costs can also affect your ability to make decisions. What's even more surprising is that your own stop loss causes 80% of your losses. Yes, you did hear correctly. Check your account to see if I'm right. I'm sure you'll find that I'm correct. In the fast-paced business world of today, it's important to have a solid plan for managing risks. Without such a plan, traders could lose a lot of money or even their whole trading account. Here is where the idea of an equity stop loss comes in. So, you ask, what's a better way to do it? Well, I'll tell you about the equity-based stop. This approach might use a stop loss based on the amount of money in the account. This is a great way to protect your investments. What's even better, most people don't even know it's there. Do you think that's true? The equity stop is different from other stop loss methods because it looks at the health of your trading account as a whole instead of just one trade at a time. By setting a stop-loss level as a percentage of your account's equity, you can successfully manage and hedge your risk across all trades and keep your account in good shape even when the market is crazy. Now, if you want to learn more about the equity stop and how it works, our course has a lot of examples that you can look at. That can help you learn more about this great option, so you can be sure of your trading decisions going forward. These examples and experiments talk about different parts of the equity stop, such as its effects, how it was made, how it works, and how it can be used in real life. You will also learn more about the problems with standard stop-loss strategies and how the equity stop strategy gets around them. The equity stop gives traders better control over their risks, more options, and less emotional stress, which makes it a good choice for traders who want to improve their trading tactics. Besides knowing about the equity stop, it's important to know how important it is to fine-tune your strategy. By setting up your equity stop so that it works best and makes you the most money, you can make sure that your trading account stays healthy and that your investments are safe. If you have any questions about the equity stop, just send us an email to the email address listed on our website, okay?